This is our coil and key relocation kit that fits 07 and later Sportsters. This is a coil relocation kit. Does not relocate the key right above the coil. It can be used in conjunction with an F6 ignition key relocation, Flex 6 ignition key relocation, which is right behind the rear cylinder. This is the V coil relocation. It is also used in conjunction with the Flex 6, or you can leave the ignition where it is, but it sets the coil down below the two cylinders, gives a little bit of a different look. This is the Deluxe Billet coil relocation. It comes with a variety of different switches, a barrel key switch or a push button switch. Everything's available in polished or black, both the switch and the bracket, and it puts the coil up above the cylinders. This is the coil relocation for the 04 through 06 Sportsters. A little bit different configuration because of the different style coil that Harley had those years of 04 through 06. And this is the coil relocation for 95 through 03 Sportsters. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have friends with a Sportster, please share it with them, help them out. Also, if you have a Dyna or a Softail, we have coil relocations for that. Thanks for watching. Ride safe.